Hey folks, I want to just briefly talk about Jennifer's home journal. There's so much good information on that site. The one area that I really seem to enjoy the most is the cooking section, the recipes and the cooking tips, because that's really what I love to do. And you would think that at my age I would know how to cook rice, but that is one thing that I always struggled with. I always burned my rice, and that's a problem because my husband loves rice. So what I found on Jennifer's Home Journal was a segment on how to cook rice, and ever since I read that, I now make pretty darn good rice, and we have it more often with our meals. I just love the recipes. They're easy. She does a great job explaining them. The tutorial videos on how to make things are really helpful. We have enjoyed everything from her root vegetable soup to most recently I'm now making homemade croutons with leftover bread. So I find her site to be, had a lot of variety to it, and her instructions are really done well, and it's just allowing us to explore doing some different things and just kind of adding to my repertoire of recipes. So check it out.